Shalom, shalom, family. Out here at the chicken farm. Out here. Oh, I ain't even see him. We got Thomas out here. This is Thomas and Dora's business going on, local by local, out here in Cape Coast. So y'all ever in Cape Coast, swing by, give them a call and stuff. Come check it out. They got all kinds of products.
You know, this one was coming from our cook in the house.
Oh, big
this
one.
This was the stubborn one. Was killing the other ones.
Oh, what?
Yeah,
oh, wow.
Looking before the eye, so
he was killing the female or the male?
Everyone.
Everything. Oh, he's wild. Oh, he's a wild
chicken.
chicken.
Bring him here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Help him to produce. Oh, yeah, I see him. He poking. A little mean little joker. Yeah, he aggressive. What's wrong with him? I can imagine he probably be fighting with him.
Yeah.
Wow. See that he's aggressive.
I know why if you move because when the door is cut there and the wife goes to the end of the mangoes. These are the mangoes.
Okay.
Oh.
Right here.
Oh, wow. Nice mango.
At least.
Yeah,
oh, big, huge mango tree. Oh, huge. Big old mango tree. Wow. Two of them. Two big mango trees, y'all.
So this way they lay the eggs.
They lay the egg, huh? So here we go, y'all. So they lay the egg.
This way they lay the egg.
So they actually they sit on their eggs.
You can go in there.
So you scared them away.
Now, if you didn't take one though. It's coming to late. It's coming to the eggs. Yeah. So you see like.
Yeah.
This one is also coming to lay.
The egg. Yeah.
So this one they just jumped out.
Yeah, you scared them. That one ain't moving.
Yeah.
She not afraid, huh? You got one there. So there you go.
Okay, if I want to see if it's gonna lay egg, I'll do this. There's no egg there.
The egg there. Oh, you can feel it. So she's just sitting to keep them warm.
Yeah.
But they can hatch.
No, I don't hatch them.
No?
No. I produce the eggs.
You put them where?
Eggs. I produce the eggs.
Oh, you produce the eggs.
Eggs.
Okay. Okay, so you're doing just producing the egg.
Good organic eggs.
See, these are organic eggs, y'all.
Right there.
Okay, so these are the ones you put out for eating. Okay.
That's a good one.
Good.
It's not like those.
The other one, the brown and white.
No, I have the brown and white ones.
Oh, okay.
But they'll they'll produce the same egg.
Same egg.
They're gonna mate before they get the eggs.
Eggs.
You're not gonna like feed them to get eggs.
Okay.
The one out there is like, get this feed to eat.
Yeah.
Give them egg. That's not real.
That's not real. I know. The feed make them produce the egg.
Now it's like, if woman don't conceive, now it's like, hey, there's a sign.
Eat this. Yeah.
So that's it's okay, but hey,
It's not okay. It's not good. It's not healthy. So y'all hear that? They have feed here that pregnate the chicken and make them go out there and produce. So you want to make sure you get the good eggs.
I'm sure one that they lay the eggs, they lay all the eggs in there. So now it's like they still want to hatch. If they're here, they'll be like on the eggs. So I'll have a place for them. At least a week. Now release them for them to start to make. They're here.
So you want to make sure your eggs come from chickens mating. You don't want that that chicken feed egg where it pregnate the chicken and then you get those eggs. So you definitely have to go and find your, you got the big farmers and the small farmers. So the small farmers normally don't have it where they chickens are gonna make.
You see all these ones here? They lay all the eggs already. They have eggs in there now. So I just keep them here, not to disturb, of course, those ones that they want to lay eggs.
Oh, okay.
So at least in a week's time, I'll open them out. Then the men will start to like
It's time.
Time to make.
Mate again.
Yeah,
Okay.
start to produce eggs.
So these the ones you say already produce the eggs.
Egg, they produce already.
Uh-huh.
So now I have to keep them here for like a week.
A week
I'll release them again.
before you can release them again.
Because other than that, they have stocked those ones that they want to lay eggs.
Ah.
All the time you come, they're full in their places.
Mm-hmm.
Meanwhile, they're not producing eggs now.
Oh, okay.
Because the eggs is gone.
Mm-hmm.
No. We need the, you know, the eggs are good for eye.
Mm-hmm.
We have a brother who was going blind.
Mm-hmm.
And then they called me and said, look, this guy have to eat 4 eggs a day. Organic egg, 4 a day.
4 a day.
4 a day. Now he can drive.
Oh, wow.
Now he's driving.
So y'all heard that? Say the organic eggs, 4 a day, help him get his sight back. Now he's driving.
Yeah, I can take it there. He's our brother. He's more close to Thomas than me. Yes.
Wow.
Yesterday they came to pick eggs, 30. When they come 30, 50, 30, 50. It's like every day 4.
4.
And I have a brother too who went to America to do the surgery on the eye. All they have to ask him to eat is eggs. So they can Google and check about what eggs that's. It's not only eggs. The right egg.
The right egg.
Fiakoko. The organic. If I see natural one, these are ones. The ones that are made to produce eggs. Not the one that you feed them to produce eggs.
There you go, y'all. Y'all heard that?
That you feed them, they produce eggs. And the eggs, no. They are not. It's like custard.
The GMO.
GMO. But you know, I don't blame the world, the science. You know why? Because people have to eat eggs. And now, look at them. It will take about a month again for them to start to lay eggs. So getting these ones is hard. You need to have more.
To do it.
That's why at least the one that we're eating out there, if it's not good at all, at least it's better than nothing.
Nothing, right.
So we don't condemn it outright. Because like all these ones, they have to be in a month's time before they can get eggs.
Right.
I'm not sure. All the elder people that they produce organic eggs, they have the same problem. It's a circle. When you produce for a while, I mean, this one, each one produce like 12, not more than 12.
At one time?
Not at a go.
Oh.
At like a cycle. Like today they will lay one, the following day they won't lay egg because it's like, hey.
Yeah, I gotta take a break. Yeah.
Come on, pushing
out. Yeah.
You have to. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
It's like now you see that one there. It's a couple of months time.
Yeah.
They'll be lay eggs. This one will give me good solid organic eggs like this one, but they'll give me like 20, 25 eggs.
Oh, okay.
At a circle.
In a circle.
Not a day.
Not a day.
At a circle.
So within 1 year?
No, every month like.
Every month, 25.
Every 2 months, 25.
Oh, okay.
No, every month 25.
Oh,
But they
okay.
will break like 2-3 weeks to a month.
Okay.
Start again. It depends on the men. If the men are active.
If they're active,
If they're active like me and you. You know what I'm saying?
Okay. Yeah, that chicken, yeah.
No, I'm just using like.
Right, understand.
If they're active.
You got to be able to produce, yeah.
Because my male are not enough.
Yeah, you need more meal.
More male because like look at this one here. I'm giving them like 2-3 months more to be active. Everyone. And when you start to strike, we're going to be like, wow. And this one, he has a pain in the legs because he been. The girls, the male will just, the female will just go there and they'll be like, come on, I'm ready for you. And they'll be like, come on, I'm ready. Because he's been using them all
the time.
long.
Yeah,
Not enough.
And that one over there just don't want to do nothing. He's a womanizer.
No, he's a brother. No, he's trying to play fine boy.
I see he always beating up the ladies.
No. He wants to make them. But this one's like, come on, I'm here. I'm the godfather here. If I'm here, you don't touch nobody. You don't touch nobody. I'm greedy. So there's one here, you see him fighting with this one all the time.
But that one stay away, huh?
He's a baby.
Oh, the big one?
Yeah,
it's a baby. Wow. Oh, that's why he act like that,
4
fighting.
5 months.
Oh, wow, he big too.
Yes.
And he the baby.
He's the baby.
Wow, y'all see that?
Yeah.
He the baby.
He's a baby. You see?
The white one there, he's a baby.
It's a white one. I'm trying to make him like Black.
Yeah,
I'll push it to be black. He can black it, man.
Hey, there you
Black
go.
is
You hear
so
that?
dumb.
They're gonna turn
I'm
them.
sorry,
They're gonna be pimping black. Hey, but they wild. They wild. They like beasts. We have to tame them.
Yeah, we have to tell you.
They have to tame them.
Right.
See, the black ones, they and the brown ones, they just chilling. But the white one down there, he very aggressive.
Yeah, I get all the time wants to make the baby.
Yeah,
Rape, you rape them. I want to make them.
You hear that? You say that one want to rape them.
But this one is like.
See, hey boy, I tell you learn a lot even from the animals.
Listen, if not lost, how you gonna be in the street?
Bingo.
All the girls, you be like, come here. Oh, no, there's a law that protects the girls. If not, look, me and you, all the beautiful girls, you won't get one. This smallest guy, you won't get one. You know what I'm saying? There's a rule. This animal will obey the rules.
Right.
But we be like, I'm smarter than you, I'm smarter than you. But so now it's like, policeman, be on them. Yeah. So you're welcome to the farm.
Okay. Nice. Eating their nice vegetables down there.
No, actually, he introduced me to the vegetables. Because he has some broilers in there. You know, he want to have this rabbit feed. It's like, let me try them. And I know they will because this plantain leaves. So he gave them some at his house, rabbit feed. And this, the first day they were running away. In the morning, nothing was left. As if I told you to eat. So, you know, let me show the bag. That bring out.
Look at them fighting.
I'll show the
That's
bag
so
that
funny.
I'll show
How the chickens be fighting each other. All right, y'all.
Let me show this bag. That's two. Yesterday morning.
They fill that bag up. Two of them.
Big, two of this.
You see that? And they ate the majority of them already.
This is the two bags.
2 big bags of vegetables.
Big bag. Yesterday morning I went there myself. Just trying to show that there's a way to cut the feed down.
They cut that feed down, yeah.
Cut the feed down. The cost of feed. There's a way out. Because most of the time, our brothers' farmers, they complain, the feed is expensive. Like now, I'm using my strength to get the feed to supplement.
So that's why I tell people, you have to think back. What was they feeding them before feed?
Yes.
They had to be eating this. There you go.
Exactly.
See, everything is a market.
Before the feed.
Bingo. See, that's why I tell people. I tell people to feed the dog food. What was the dog eating before they invented dog food? See?
They have their own, what they eat, the leaves.
Yeah.
No, see these dogs, you come and see them here, eating this.
Eating that. See them? There you go.
These two puppies, they chew this. You come and be there, they eat there.
There you go. Take them back to where they once was. Yeah. Because all that stuff they sell in the store is no good for the animals.
You see, the fishes of these, and one that you have to give the fish.
There you go.
Fish.
Yeah, fish will eat it too.
They eat the manure. The fish of the bed.
Yeah.
You know that, right?
Yeah.
The fish will be big.
Big.
We have a friend who says, there's a guy who has this pot and he has a fish pond underneath. So in all the fishes, they drop in there. It's manure.
Give the fishes feed.
There you go.
Because if people doing this fish farming, then they'll go to somewhere, buy feed.
Fit.
But at the end of the day, when you add it up,
Yeah.
zero.
Too much.
Yeah.
Zero. So me, if I give them something small, come on, hustle yourself, find your own food. At least have something for the morning, evening. But with these leaves, if I give you feed in the morning, that's it for the day.
There you go.
Eat this.
That's great. That is great. Shalom, shalom, y'all.